Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled LangChain Agents and Tools. Giving your AI hands and eyes. Practical deep dive. Imagine you have a super smart friend. That's our LLM, large language model. Like ChatGPT. This friend knows tons of facts and can write amazing stories. But here's the catch. They're stuck in a room with no internet. No books. No way to do anything in the real world. They can talk about the weather, but can't check it. They can write a shopping list, but can't order groceries. This is the limitation we want to overcome. Our AI is smart, but it's blind and has no hands. To give our AI capabilities beyond just talking, we introduce something called an agent. Think of an agent as the AI's smart brain. Its decision maker. When you ask your AI a question, the agent doesn't just blurt out an answer. Instead, it thinks, okay, to answer this, do I need to look something up? Do I need to perform an action? What's the best way to get this done? It's like having a personal assistant who not only knows things but also knows how to get things done. Now, how does our agent, the brain, actually do things? It uses tools. Think of tools as the AI's hands and eyes. It's specialized gadgets. A tool could be a web search tool, like giving your AI access to Google. Its eyes for information outside its initial training. Calculator tool, to perform math operations. Its hands for calculations. Calendar tool, to check appointments. Its hands for scheduling. Each tool is a specific function that your AI can choose to use when it decides it needs to. So, how do they work together? It's like an orchestra. The agent, the conductor, receives your request. It then decides which instruments, tools, it needs to play and in what order, to create the perfect symphony. Answer 1. You ask, what's the current weather in London? Quote 2. Agent thinks, I don't know current weather. I need a tool for that. 3. Agent picks the weather lookup tool. 4. Agent uses tool. It tells the weather lookup tool to get weather in London. 5. Tool returns result, the current temperature, humidity, etc. 6. Agent processes result. It reads the information. 7. Agent answers you. The weather in London is currently X degrees and Y humidity. This iterative process of thinking, acting, and observing is what makes agents powerful. From a developer's perspective, this isn't magic. It's code. We use a library called LangChain to easily set up these agents and tools. Defining tools. You'll write simple Python functions that do specific tasks. E.g., fetch weather data from an API. Run a Python script. Query a database. Then, you'll wrap these functions as LangChain _tool objects, giving them a name and description so the agent knows what they do. Initializing the agent. You then initialize an agent, telling it which powerful language model, like GPT-4, to use as its brain and providing it with the list of _tool objects it has access to. LangChain handles all the complex thinking logic for the agent. Let's imagine we're setting up our weather lookup tool. Here's a simplified example of what it might look like in Python. This is simplified code for illustration. From LangChain, tools import tool. Import requests you'd use this for real API calls. At tool this special marker tells LangChain this is a tool. Def get _current weather. Location. str. To str. Fetches the current weather for a given city. In a real app, you'd call a weather API. E.g., open weather map. If London, in location. Return 20 degrees Celsius. Sunny. ELF, New York, in location. Return 15 degrees Celsius. Cloudy. Else. Return weather data not available for that location. Hash later in your code. You'd give this tool to your agent. Hash my underscore tools equals get underscore current underscore weather. Hash my underscore agent equals initialize underscore agent. LLM underscore model. My underscore tools. Notice how backquote get underscore current underscore weather backquote is just a regular Python function. But by marking it as a backquote at tool backquote and providing a clear description, our LangChain agent knows how and when to use its hands to get weather data. Giving hands and eyes opens up a world of possibilities. Smart assistants. Asterisk not just answering questions, but doing things like booking flights, ordering food, or managing your calendar. Data analysis. Asterisk an AI that can query databases, run statistical models, and summarize insights. Automated workflows. Asterisk I agents that can read emails, process invoices, and interact with other software systems. Personalized learning. Asterisk tutors that can adapt content, fetch relevant articles, and even generate practice problems based on your progress. This transforms LLMs from intelligent chatbots into capable, autonomous problem solvers. Today, we saw how LangChain agents give our AI brain to make decisions. And LangChain tools provide the hands and eyes to interact with the real world. Together, they turn a powerful language model into an active problem solver. As a developer, you now have the conceptual foundation to start building AI applications that aren't just smart, but also capable of action. Your next step? Dive into LangChain's documentation and experiment with building your first agent and tool. The future of AI interaction is here, and you're ready to build it. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.